All right, here I am in Figma. I'll click the login button, log in with the web. I'll choose Chrome. Here's my Chrome window. You can see I'm logged in. I could switch to my personal account, but you can see I'm currently in my team plan. I'll grant access. Yay, you're logged in. Your logged in Figma plugin. Okay, bad English. Now head back to Figma plugin and start exploring icons. Okay, close the window. Here I'm back in Figma, but you can see I am still not logged in. No matter what I do, I cannot get logged in via Figma.